Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. For example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, like here. And then let's enter the settings in this upper panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and right here we've got the list of the languages which are currently applied. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options. Simply find yours and tap on it. Of course, you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language, so it will be much faster. So let me choose Urdu. Let's tap on the region, and right here we've got the keyboard types or keyboard layouts, and the amount of them depend on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different layouts. So if you want to apply the layout, simply mark it. So I would like to use this one and untick the option which you don't want to apply. Let's tap on Done then. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied. Now let me go back to the keyboard to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 different languages added, and after that I'll show you how to remove the language from the keyboard. So after getting back, you can see that we have a difference. So we've got the language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layout. So let's tap on it. As you can see right now, I've got Urdu, and here we've got English. And the second difference, which is right now visible, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. If you'd like to remove the language, so if you want to apply only one layout, simply go back to the settings, tap on the languages, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, which means that after getting back to the keyboard, we will not have the globe icon and the spacebar will be empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.